So what do you think about it? Sour. Yeah.
I have to try it. Mama, I tried last taste. See if it's sour, please. Mom, I tried last. See if it's sour. Please, Mom. Please, Mom. Mom, can I try glass, see if it's sour?
Yeah.
Okay. Dare me? Oh no,
Yeah.
it's gonna be sour!
I double dog dare ya.
Okay. Double sour! Mom, double sour! Mom, why are you yapping? No.
I was not expecting these things to be this sour. Oh my gosh, you try to make these homemade peeps with Kool-Aid mix packets, and these are very, very sour, and I even dyed my hand. See, my fingers are now dyed. And let's see his reaction to this one.
I think the pink one is sour. I dare to eat the one whole pink after the sour. Okay. After this one. Yeah, my hands are black.
I'm gonna try.
Now look, my hands are black.
Try the pink one.
Okay. These are not sour. Well, these ones are not sour. The pink.
So we have success with grape. It is not sour. Pink lemonade, however, is very, very sour.
Sour.
Depends on how much of the packet you use.
Yes. Still got that taste in the mouth.
But seems to be a success with the pink one too for
Cherry one is good.
the light amount of powder put in the bag. And when
Pink
you
one-
are
Cherry takes one
adding
too.
the
Dad, you
packet
eat this.
into the sandwich bag, make sure you add in at least 2 to 3 teaspoons of water,
Water.
and then throw in all your marshmallows, at least like 5 to 6 in one bag, and start shaking it all up, and then just put it onto your tray. As you could see, there was a lot of red. I did not expect to have that many red, and I still have extra leftover
We just need more
mix. I
marshmallows.
just need to get more marshmallows. I still have a lot mix left.
This one 25% sour. That one 100. That one 0. That one's
Well, there we go. We have our verdict of our homemade marshmallow peeps.